Yes, and let me help you to understand the feedback importance of the feedback profile here, because so many people don't know what it really means, the importance of this feedback profile here, and don't know how to read the numbers here properly. I will start with the big statement right now for you to grab your attention and say that this account is dead. It's done. All right. So let me explain why. Okay, so this is not my account, but I have just one conversation today with one of my students because he explained to me, well, actually, he complained that he have no sales. Sales stopped. There was a sales. He was used to sell about 10, 15 items every day. Now sales dropped down to barely one item per day. Barely one item per day. His account is very similar to this one, except that his feedback score was 98.2. 98.2, and he is also member since almost 1 year. Almost 1 year, because this member here is. I just found quickly some account on eBay to show you example, some visual example how it works and what you have to be aware of. Okay, very similar account to my student who messed up, and his account was 98.2. Okay, this is a little bit worse even. All right, so but here is the thing, you have to understand how it works. Why this account is almost dead, and it still exists there out there, right? But why this account is dead? You see, here in this numbers here, what we can see and read from the numbers here are more what the numbers shows us actually. Okay, numbers shows us numbers, but you know what? Numbers never lie. That's the truth. Numbers never lie. The people who lie and who say that eBay dropshipping is not working, that's exactly what my student said actually to me, kind of like he said, hey, eBay dropshipping is not working anymore. I have 10, 15 sales every day. Now I got only barely one sale per day. Okay, I said, okay, cool. There should be a reason for this. Let me see your account. He showed me his account, and I saw. Immediately I go to the feedback score here, and I saw what's happening here, and I saw that this is the real deal here, why it's not working for him. Dropshipping is not working for him because he messed up. If you are messing up, it doesn't mean that dropshipping is not working. It only means that dropshipping is not working for you. All right, let me dig deeper and explain why. Look at this. One negative in 6 months and two negatives in less than a year, because today is 24 of May 2019, and this is well, let's say 1 year. Okay, in 1 year period he got two negatives and two neutrals. Okay, neutral is not deadly. Neutral is the neutral is not poisonous. But the negative is deadly. Negative is the cancer which grows more faster than the cancer even. Okay, what happens is, just imagine that you were doing quite good. Like when you implement my 799 method sales strategy, you were gonna get those crazy sales like 10 sales, 15 sales, 20 sales, 30 sales per day, no problem. Okay, no problem. You are gonna get them. 100% positive feedback. Cool. You rock and roll. Now, your visibility is amazing. eBay shows you more and more and more because there is a reason. You are selling and your positive feedback keeps 100. Okay, eBay have strong reasons to show your account to their audience more and more. eBay have strong reason to put your account or your listings to top visibility for everybody who is looking for them, okay, for the similar products. That's the good news, all right? So now what happened? One day, some freaking guy orders from you, let's see, let's take something, I don't know what. Orders from you, what? Not cordless. Swindlers, okay, do not offer cordless, wanted me to pay for return. Okay, what doesn't matter. Something cordless. Buy from you something which is not cordless. Okay, you messed up with the description or whatever it is the case here. You messed up. See, he says, hey, this guy is messing up with me. It's not cordless. He say it's cordless. It's not cordless. Okay, so what it cost here? Do we get the price here? No price here. Okay, no price. Whatever. Considering to those things here, $9, $10, $11, something like, I would say this guy is selling something on a non-expensive category, which would be, let's say, let's give a try, and let's say $20. Okay, cordless, not cordless, $20. Okay, just imagine $20. So scenario goes like this. This seller, this Ami Deals says, hey, I don't care what you say, everything is good, I will not pay return here, okay? If you don't like it, pay return, I will gonna give you back my money, your money, okay? So, the fight is going on here about $20. I don't know, maybe it's only $10, but let's imagine $20. The fight is going around $20, okay? So the fight ends, what is the result? Let's say the result is okay. The buyer, he got his $20 back, he sent back the item to Amazon or whatever it is to sourcing, but this is not the end of the story. The end of the story is here. That the buyer said, swindler, bombs, neutral. All right. The same scenario goes with another buyer. Swindler, booms, neutral. The same scenario, or even more worse scenario, goes with another buyer, because here he got negative. Let's say, just imagine. On every those scenarios, 2 scenarios here and 2 scenarios here, both four like problems, 4 issues here. Those 4 issues, let's say, each of them cost $20 to fix them. $20. Okay? So total would be $80. This guy, Ami Deals, he said, screw you, I will not gonna do this, I'm right. I will gonna save my $80. Alright. So what happened next is, saving $80, you ruined all your business, what you have been doing for 1 year. Because each incident here immediately stops, at the same, like the same minute when somebody puts neutral or negative here, the same minute the algorithm gets this red lamp blowing up there, and you got immediately your visibility decreases from 1 million possible viewers down to the 300,000 only. And then it shrinks even more, because you got 4 incidents. With each incident, your visibility shrinks. Your positioning on eBay goes back somewhere on the back page. Nobody sees you, nobody recognizes you. And then you're saying, hey, the Ami Deals is posting on Facebook, you know what? eBay dropshipping sucks. It's not working. Yes, that's right. It's not working. Is that true? Is that true? We have students who have been selling and selling and selling more than 20 items per day with no Facebook ads, with no paid tools, with no softwares, everything manually, and still rock and roll. Because the point here is, guys, don't mess up with what you put there, with your seed. This is your seed. If you put the seed, let it grow, nurture your seed. Because one day, in 1 year, if you are messing up in a 1 month, 2nd month, or 3rd month, that's why PayPal jail is out there, right? PayPal put the jail, we call it PayPal jail, 3 months restriction, and eBay gives you those limits, right? When you start out, they give you 10 or whatever it would be, depends on your country. Okay, so just for one reason, to see how you are doing. If you are doing well, they will gonna give you everything on a silver plate almost. Okay, your sales will increase, the buyers will gonna come, you can sell almost everything you want. You never need to do any promotions on eBay, because eBay will gonna promote you for free just because you are doing good, just because you are keeping your score here 100. And you have those neutrals 0, negatives here you have 0. Okay, those are the guys who know what to do. Those are the guys who take care about if there any incident is, because all of any kind of those incidents or potential neutral or potential negative will gonna cost you 10 times or 100 times or 1,000 times more. Can you imagine how this guy is doing now? I don't know him, but I know that this guy is messed up and he will not gonna recover from 97.2. He will, let me repeat this because this is critically important. He will not gonna recover from 97.2. And I know this, I know what I'm talking, because I have been doing dropshipping for 5 years already, and I have been taught hundreds and hundreds of students. His account is 1 year old. In a 1 year, if you messed up for 97.2, your recovery percentage, possibility percentage is about 2% or 3% only, which means you have to do a crazy job and you have to be really specific in what you are doing, with specific target, with specific purpose. You cannot sell with this because you are invisible. Nobody will gonna buy from you. There is some kind of like reincarnation process you have to do. This is nightmare. This is nightmare. It's stopped. Okay. So now the question is it really worth? Was it really worth to save $80 to ruin your account? At this point, when you started to sink your account, when you started to demolish your account, I would use that word, demolish. Yeah, this is demolishing. Okay, instead of going and saving those $20, you could just send the customer whatever form of satisfaction to keep your account safe, growing up, which means you will gonna keep having more customers, which means you will gonna keep having more sales, and those $20 you just saved for yourself for this unfair deal, you will be having back 100-fold already, and your account would be increasing and increasing and increasing. But because of some strange reason, you choose not to do this, and then you are telling eBay dropshipping is not working. Guys, let me just make very sure for you, eBay dropshipping is working perfectly. Everything is in a place, everything grows, nothing has been. eBay is not against dropshipping, eBay is against those dropshippers who practice such a things like this AMI deals. This is what eBay is against. Don't do this. Make money. It's free. Options to make money. You don't need to spend on Facebook ads. You don't need to do all those paid tools, all those softwares. It's not for you guys. This is not how you do eBay dropshipping. It's not. Okay? We have all sorts of different levels. Of course, I teach also how to do Facebook ads for eBay dropshipping. That's another level, guys. That's another level. Okay, but you don't need to do this. This is not how you start out. This is not how you grow your field, your business field, your business opportunity. You are eating from this pot here, right? Don't mess up with what you were gonna eat with. Okay, so I hope it really makes sense, and if you have any questions, please put in a comment. If you want to have some more tips and advices, because I did a lot of those mistakes myself, I have a lot of advice library behind me, how to do, what not to do. Just subscribe to the channel and follow me on the Facebook. So there is a link below this video. You can click on the link and follow my Facebook group and use this possibility, because this possibility is really unique when you can make money online if you know how to do this properly. And believe me, this is very, very simple. Very, very simple. Okay, guys, take care and see you next time. Bye bye.